students, today's our topic is reaction of acids and bases with metals. So this is a lab activity. So how the acids are react with the metals and what result we get? Let us see here. This is a lab activity. So for this activity we have some required material. So the required material is already in this figure. The required material is set up in this figure. So from this figure, what are the required metal? So test tube, stand, one hole rubber cork, and delivery tube, a glass trough, and a candle. These are the required material to do this activity. So these apparatus are set up as shown in this figure. So first of all we take dilute HCl in the test tube. How much amount? 10 ml. So that is the procedure we have. We have to write here procedure. Take 10 ml, 10 ml of dilute HCl in the test tube. Then what we have to do? Adding some zinc granules. Add zinc granules. Add some zinc granules to it. After adding the zinc granules to dilute HCl, a reaction is occurred here. So the reaction is formed in between the both the reactions. A gas is formed. The zinc granules, when we add the zinc granules to the HCl, the reaction is in between the reaction. A gas is formed on the surface of the zinc granules. The formed gas passing through the delivery tube into the glass trough. It passes through the delivery tube into the glass trough. What happened when the gas passed into the glass trough? A gas bubbles are formed. The formed gas bubbles are raised into the air. Gas bubbles are formed and rise into the air. Rise into the air. When we put near the burning candle, when we put the burning candle near the gas bubble, evolved gas bubble, what happened? It puts off, the gas bubbles are puts off with making a pop sound. Put the burning candle near the gas bubble. It puts off making pop sound. So we know that only the hydrogen gas burns with making pop sound. So that means the evolved gas is hydrogen. So we conclude this activity. The evolved gas in this activity is hydrogen. That means here the gas is puts off with making a pop sound. So here the pop sound indicates evolved gas is hydrogen. So here which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas is evolved. So let us see reactions occurring in this activity. Reactions. So which acid we take here? HCl it is an acid plus zinc and it forms salt, zinc chloride. Salt is plus which gas is formed here? Hydrogen gas is formed and evolved. So balancing the equations, 2 chlorines, 2 hydrogens. So we get 2 for the substituent of the HCl. So this is the reactions. So what is the conclusion here? When the acids react with metals, we get hydrogen gas. This is the activity about the reaction of acids with metals. Now here bases. So instead of acid, we take some bases also. So the bases, instead of acid, we take some base. So NaOH is a diluted NaOH. Instead of acid 10 ml of dilute HCl, we take NaOH. So repeat this activity as in the above activity, acids activity. Instead of acid we take base and repeat this activity until we get gas formation. So we get same result. So acids react with metals, hydrogen gas is evolved, and also bases also reaction with metals, hydrogen gas also evolved. So in both cases we get same result, that is hydrogen gas is evolved. So let us see the base and metal reactions. So this is the base NaOH, same metal zinc, we get salt, and first of all what we get? Hydrogen gas. So NaOH plus zinc we get salt, that is sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2. This is sodium zincate. Balancing the equation we get 2 NaS, NaS2, 2 NaS and 2 Os. So we get here 2 NaS, 2 NaS, 2 NaS and 2 hydrogens, 2 Os, 2 Os. So here the equation was balanced. So these are the reactions occurred in this activity. First one is acid with metal, second one is base with metal. In both cases we get same results, that is hydrogen gas is evolved. So this is our conclusion. So conclusion is acids and bases react with metals hydrogen gas is evolved. This is our conclusion. So when the reaction of acids and bases with the metals, we get hydrogen gas. This is a lab activity.